How to fix formulas not calculating in Excel. Sometimes Excel does not calculate formula and it's usually fixable in just a few steps. So in this video, let's go step by step in order to fix it. So we can start by opening up Excel. For that, go ahead and open up Excel and go ahead and open up your document where you would like to add in the formula. Now we can start by checking out the calculation mode. For that, go to the menu at the top and go to the formulas option here. And within formulas, we can just go and look out for calculation options. So here we can look out for different options available. Go to the section for calculation options and make sure it's on automatic. Not if it's on manual, Excel won't update the formulas automatically. So if you check, change it to automatic, press F9 to calculate, and that will give you the results that you're looking for. And while using the formula, make sure that the cell is recognized as formula, because formula should start with something like, for example, is equal to, and type in sum and type in bracket and select up your data. After that, close it up and hit enter, and it will give you the value that you're looking for. You can just go and do so. And if your formula starts with a apostrophe or a space, Excel treats add it as a text and not a formula, so you can remove the space at the start. And you can check for text formatting as well. So you can select the cell with the formula and go to the home option in the top and look out for the number format option here. On the style, you can find the option for format for number. So go ahead and check it out and use that method available there as well. And that should also work out for you. If it was a text, you can change it to general and then press F2, enter to recalculate the formula, and that should also work out. And if the formula refers to itself, Excel may not calculate it. So if you see a circular reference in the bottom left corner of your screen, you can just go over and fix the formula so it does not loop. And you can press F9 on your keyboard to recalculate the entire sheet as well. And that's it. So you can follow this method if you'd like to go ahead and fix the formulas not calculating in Excel. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.